We're heading to Nassau now to pick up Matt and Linn. We'll get a slip there for the day and the evening, do a little grocery shopping, and hopefully find a juicy hamburger and some french fries.
How did you do this?
Let me show like the water, the boat.
The tide is a bit low right now. You go first.
Okay. We got the boat all tied up at the Yacht Haven Marina, and Matt and Linn just flew in from the airport, and we're gonna go meet them out front.
You guys are looking tan.
I know, right?
We've been out here a while.
Yeah, we've been out here a while. We dropped off Matt and Lynn's bags on the Turtle and then took a short walk to the grocery store. We are so stoked to go shopping. We have not been to a real grocery store in 7 weeks.
No?
Here, let me catch you these because what if they're falling? I don't want
Yeah.
That's so scary. You know what I noticed on the other side of the dock? There's a ladder. On our side, there isn't. We need the ladder.
Oh, there's those to stand on. I did not stand on
that's
those.
what I use. Yeah.
That's why I was like, that's a big step from there all the way down.
Right.
But yeah, there's steps under there. Shimmy down.
See, it's good you guys are climbers.
Yeah, look at that. He's a pro.
Nicely done.
Good job. Welcome to our home.
Awesome. Do you love it, Kinsey?
Oh yeah.
We're in Nassau at the grocery store. It's like food heaven here. Oh my gosh. It's just like being back in the US. It's fantastic.
We're getting lots of yummy food for yummy meals.
Yeah, our friends Matt and Linn are here, so we're buying a good week's worth of food for our next adventure.
Oh, yeah.
Kenzie. That's Kenzie's happy place.
Randall, what are these?
Oh, yeah. They have these in Taiwan. I don't know what they're called.
Those.
They're
I think.
ramachuen.
Yeah, they're good.
Rambutan.
They got this kind of soft. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah. They're almost gooey inside.
Yeah, almost gooey. Yeah. You want to get one, Kenzie?
No.
Try it out.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna get one.
No.
$14.99.
I don't think it's worth $15.
A pound.
$15 a pound. No.
This is like a 15th of a pound. That's like $2.
Stir fry.
The stir fry, we've got broccoli.
Well, and are we gonna the
Broccoli.
asparagus? Are we gonna put it in the
Asparagus.
stir fry?
Yeah.
What do you got?
Crunchy
I
bars.
have crunchy bars. These are my favorite candy bars ever, and they're only $1.28 here. Super
wow.
cheap. I'm so gonna stock up.
Yeah. This is your chance for ice cream.
What's my what?
What's your guess on how much it's gonna be?
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah.
Everything's more expensive here.
It's like twice as expensive.
So, oh geez. $1.85.
That's close to
What did you say?
$1.85.
Oh, I'm
I
gonna
think-
go $2.10.
Oh.
$2.10.
Gosh, I'm gonna say right 200. Right on the nose, $200.
I think it's gonna be over 200. I'm gonna say like 250.
250. Holy cow.
I have no idea.
No more than 2
No more than two?
Better
we thought, huh?
Yeah, actually, I bet Kenzie's right.
Okay, Kenzie's right.
Yeah. Initially, I was gonna say 225, and you guys were going 180, and I was like, ah.
That's like a grocery bag back home is $100.
I know it's true. It's true.
Yeah,
Those add up
that's true.
I don't know. It might be like $300.
Well, you already said. If it's over, you win anyway, Kenzie, because you were the high bid.
I have no idea.
Oh, we just hit 2. Okay, Kenzie's winning there. That was my guess
Yeah.
was 2. So I'm
I guessed 210 and we're about to
210,
pass
we're
it.
passing you. Let's see who's closer, 210 or what Kenzie say, 3?
I said 250.
250.
I was like, oh, she's going 180. I better go 210.
Oh. I was scared for a second. She's just scaring us.
We don't want it.
Whoa.
Oh, what happened there?
Something. She's just scaring us again.
We'll have to sell the boat after this one. Whoa, Kenzie was within $4.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Um,
I'm too busy eating my ice cream.
I did not drip chocolate.
yeah, what's the music situation on the boat?
We have an iPad. We have our little mini boombox thing. We obviously couldn't take the shopping cart with us back to the marina, so we loaded all the groceries into our backpacks for the short walk back to the boat. That's my juice box,
Well, we want those to go below.
Oh yeah.
And then that can go on top. And then this on top of that. No.
It's still got a front pouch though that can be filled.
So I think we
Probably
can
this
probably
stuff
carry all
we
this
can-
stuff, right?
Yeah, we can carry all this.
Okay.
Yes, this might.
Uh-oh, somebody did that.
Kenzie's popsicle. Out of control again.
What? I ate mine over the trash can. You're the one that spilled everywhere.
What?
Who's tall enough to spill on top of her at?
There's no documentation that can support that theory.
Actually, I was filming.
I did not drip chocolate.
We've never get away with it.
Let me help you get that on, Joe.
Yes, please.
Oh, golly. It's not light.
Oh, it's fine.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Here. I got a bucket.
Got a booklet.
Okay. You want me to carry that? You're gonna have plenty of that.
I'm gonna have plenty, yeah, it's true.
Alright, I'm set.
Good?
Good.
We're good. So you have the propane, you have a pack and nose and that, and I have my backpack. Alright, we did all of our shopping and now we are walking back to the marina with our packs. The store is actually pretty close. It's only a couple of blocks away. So that's nice.
On the way back from the store, we tried to get the propane tank filled, but the place everybody drops them off doesn't actually fill them on site. You have to leave it with them and hope it gets filled in a day or two. That's just not gonna work for us. We'll just have to fill it some other time. We finished the day by walking about a mile down the road to Fort Montague. They'd already closed the exhibit, but it was still fun to see the fort and especially the cannons. We're so stoked that Matt and Linn are finally here, and we cannot wait to get out on the water and show them how incredible this place is.